This is how to make the perfect 3 ingredients ice cream. It's so simple, and this is coconut ice cream. And let me show you how to do this with just 3 ingredients. First of all, we will need our coconut milk, and this is the type of coconut we want to use to get our milk. Into a bowl, go in with your milk. If you do not have milk, just dissolve some milk powder with water and then you get your milk. Now transfer that into a bowl and then add your coconut milk. Now you want to go ahead and add condensed milk. You can use any sweetener of your choice, but this condensed milk right here is serving as my sweetener. So yes, you can use sugar, you can use honey, you can use date syrup, you can use whatever you prefer to use as a sweetener. But this condensed milk just adds some extra milky taste to the ice cream. At this stage, you can add any flavor of your choice. Vanilla is best here because it doesn't do a lot to the coconut flavor in it. Now we have this, and to get our cups right here, we are going to fill these cups up just as you see in the video. Just fill everything to the brim or whatever measurement you want. And if you want to know how to make the coconut milk, I will link a video in the description where I started everything from scratch and I showed you how to make the coconut milk with your coconut, which is this type of coconut. Yes, so I will show you how to do that. Make sure you click on the link in the description to watch that particular video. It will be very, very helpful. So just do that, and also now just put in your popsicle sticks just as you see in the video. If you don't have a popsicle stick, just go ahead and use your kebab sticks or skewers, and then you just freeze these in your freezer for about 6 hours or more. You can sprinkle some of the coconut flakes on it. You can maybe spice it up with some Oreo, which I'll also link a description. I'll link a video in the description where I show you how to make the Oreo ice cream. So with that, it is very simple to make. It's very, very simple. Freeze these for about 6 hours or overnight, and now our coconut ice cream is just ready. Did you know you can start a business with this? Yes, you can start a business with this ice cream recipe. So if you don't have anything to do and you're thinking of any business ideas, then this is the best video for you. You can start this ice cream business in your area. It will be very, very helpful. I'll link a description to most of the ice cream videos I have here, and you can look out for that, watch them, and then enjoy every bit of the video. Also, subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Click on the bell notification icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. You can check out my playlist for your local dishes recipe and some bakery recipe. If you want pastries, just look out for the pastry recipe. And if you want to enjoy more videos, just stick and stay with me. And you can as well follow me on my other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Everything will be linked in the description. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.